Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix NBA 2K27 game crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, try offline mode and then switch to online mode and check. So click on play button and then you will see this pop up. Select the option play NBA 2K27 without EAC offline only and then click on play button. And once you enter the game, then again close the game and then again launch the game, and this time select NBA 2K27 and check. Fix 3 is to update your graphics card driver. So if you're an NVIDIA user, then in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button over here. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the NBA 2K27 game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for graphic card driver updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 4, run easy anti-cheat EO setup file as admin. So go to the game installation folder. Go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, NBA 2K27 folder. Then open the easy anti-cheat folder. And here you will see easy anti-cheat EO setup file. Just right click on it and then select run as administrator. And after running the easy anti-cheat EO setup file as an admin, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to delete the easy anti-cheat EO setup file and verify the game files. So again go to the game installation folder, open the easy anti-cheat folder, right click on easy anti-cheat EO setup file and then select delete to delete it, and then open the Steam, then go to library. Right click on NBA 2K27 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, it will install the easy anti-cheat EO setup file and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again go to the game installation folder. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27 game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. This is just an example. This will open the game installation folder. So you have to go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the NBA 2K27 game folder. Now first double click this NBA 2K27 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all of them, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to resynchronize your Windows clock. So right click on this date and time and then click on adjust date and time. Now you will see the option set time automatically. Just toggle it off once, wait for a few seconds and then toggle it on. Scroll down and under the additional settings you will see sync now option. Click on sync now button, and once you see the ticked mark option, then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 8 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse to the C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the NBA 2K27 game folder, select this NBA 2K27 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the NBA 2K27 game folder, select NBA 2K27 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, click on OK and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, Webroot, or any other third-party antivirus program, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the NBA 2K27 game folder, select NBA 2K27 exe file and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list and then expand it, and then next to GPU preference, click on this drop down and select high performance. Also make sure optimization for windowed game is turned on, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done for the NBA 2K27, then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12, modify game launch options. You can try -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27 game and then click on properties. This is just an example. In the launch options, type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 13 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And here you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off. Disable Discord overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to delete the NBA 2K27 saved game folder. Now please take a note over here. You will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings, and you have to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the NBA 2K27 saved game folder. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, then open the local folder. Inside the local folder, you will find 2K Sports folder. Open the 2K Sports folder, and inside the 2K Sports folder, you will find NBA 2K27 folder. This is a saved game folder. First right click on it and then select copy and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them. And then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the NBA 2K27 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall NBA 2K27 game from your PC, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix NBA 2K27 game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes at startup, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.